Good evening. My name is Zipatino, and I'm substituting in for my colleague Ben Bundes because he's currently sick again. So today we're gonna have a very special interview with my special guest, Mr. Michael Jackson.
Hey yo, world! I'm Michael Jackson. I'm gonna rape the Boy Scouts.
Okay. First question: what is your opinion on Mr. George W. Bush?
I like him a lot. He gave me the best fucking rape ever.
Okay. Second question: why do you have this nurse outfit on?
Well, I was just in the boys' wing in the hospital, so oh shit. Next question.
Next question: what do you have to say to all the boys and girls in the United States?
I would like to say, prepare to be raped by me. I am the best person in the world. Come find Neverland Ranch.
Okay, sorry, but we're not gonna be able to edit, so I'm gonna have to kill you. My colleague Ben Bundes will be back next week.